जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
दीन दयाला तेरो तेरे माला, संकट हरियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
दीन दयाला पिरु तेरी माला, संकट हरियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
जो कोई आवे अरज लगावे, सबके सुनियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
जो कोई आवे अर्ज लगावे, सबकी सुनियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
ना कोई संगी हाथ की तंगी, जल्दी हरियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
ना कोई संगी हाथ की तंगी, जल्दी हरियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
जो कोई ध्यावे तुझको मनावे, कृपा करियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
जो कोई ध्यावे तुझको मनावे, कृपा करियो रे, प्रभु मन बसियो रे।
जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
जय जय राम 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 सिया राम।
जय जय राम
Sitaram devotees, on behalf of our revered Swamiji, Swami Shiveshwanandaji Maharaj, I would like to welcome each and every one of you to our Tuesday evening Hanuman Chalisa Path, live from the Americas Varsham Sangha. I would like to welcome each and every one of you, all our wonderful devotees who join us this beautiful Tuesday evening to participate in our Hanuman Chalisa Path. Devotees, I'm asking each and every one of you, can you please share our live feed? Just take a second and hit the share button. One click and share our live feed with your friends and family. Devotees and friends, at this time in one voice we will sing the wonderful verses of the Sri Hanuman Chalisa.
चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुराम बरनो रघुवर विमल जसो जो रायक फल चार बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या दे अमोहि हरहु क्लेश विकार। राम जी से राम राम कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
राम जी से राम राम कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
ओ राम जी से राम राम कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
राम जी से राम राम कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर
जय कपीश तीन लोक उजागर।
राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा
अंजनी पुरुष पवन सुत नामा।
महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी
कुमत निवार सुमति की संगी।
कंचन वरण विराज सुवेशा
कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा।
कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा। राम जी से राम राम कहियो
कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
ओ राम जी से राम राम कहियो।
कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे
कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे।
शंकर सोन केसरी नंदन
तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन।
विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर
राम काज करिबे को आतुर।
प्रभु चरित सुनिबे को रसिया।
राम लखन सीता मन बसिया।
राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। राम जी से राम राम कहियो कहियो जी
हनुमान जी।
ओ राम जी से राम राम कहियो।
कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
सूक्ष्म रूप धरि यही दिखावा
विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा।
भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे
रामचंद्र के काज सवारे।
लाई सजीवन लखन जियाए
श्री रघुबीर हर्ष उर लाए।
रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई
तुम मम प्रिया भरत संभाए।
तुम मम प्रिया भरत संभाई। राम जी से राम राम कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी। ओ राम जी से राम राम कहियो
कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
सहस बदन तमरो यश गावे
हस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे।
सनकादिक ब्रह्मारि मुनीषा
नारद सारद सहित ईसा।
यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते
कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते।
तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा।
राम मिलाए राजपद दीना।
राम मिलाए राज पर दीना। राम जी से राम राम कहियो कहियो जी तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना,
लंकेश्वर में सब जग जाना।
युग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु,
लीलो ताई मधुर फल जानो।
प्रभु मुद्रिका मिल मुख माही,
जल्दी लगी गए अजरज नाही।
दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते,
सुगम मनोग्रह तुम्हारे देते।
सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे देते। राम जी से राम राम कहियो, कहियो जी हनुमान जी। ओ राम जी से राम राम,
कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे,
होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे।
सब सुख लहर तुम्हारी शरणा,
तुम रक्षक हो को डरना।
आपन तेज समारो आपे,
तीनों लोग हांकते कांपे।
पूछ पिशाचन कत नहीं आवे,
महावीर जब नाम सुनावे।
महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। राम जी से राम राम कहियो, कहियो जी हनुमान जी। ओ राम जी से राम राम,
कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा,
जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा।
संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे,
मन क्रम भजन ध्यान जो लावे।
सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा,
तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा।
और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे,
सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे।
सोई अमित जीवन पल पावे। राम जी से राम राम कहियो, कहियो जी हनुमान जी। ओ राम जी से राम
राम कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा,
नहीं पर सिद्धि जगत उजियारा।
साधु संत के तुम रखवारे,
असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे।
अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता,
असबर दीन जानकी माता।
राम रसायन तुमरे पासा,
सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा।
सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। राम जी से राम राम कहियो,
कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
ओ राम जी से राम राम कहियो।
कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे,
जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे।
अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाए,
जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई।
और देवता चितना डरही,
हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख करही।
संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा,
जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा।
जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। राम जी से राम राम कहियो, कहियो जी हनुमान जी। ओ राम जी से राम,
राम कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई,
कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई।
जो शत बार पाठ कर कोई,
छूत ही बंदी महासुख होई।
जो यह पर हनुमान चालीसा,
होई सीधी साकी गौरी सा।
तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा,
की जय नाथ हृदय महदेरा।
की जय नाथ हृदय महादेरा। राम जी से राम राम कहियो, कहियो जी हनुमान जी। ओ राम जी से राम राम कहियो, कहियो जी हनुमान जी। ओ राम जी से राम राम कहियो, कहियो जी हनुमान जी। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसो सुरभूप। बोलो पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
the wonderful verses of the Sri Hanuman Chalisa. Thank you very much. Devotees and friends, again I would like to welcome each and every one of you who join us online to participate in our Hanuman Chalisa Path live from the Americas Vashram Sangha. Devotees and friends, at this time it's my honor to ask our Revered Swamiji to present tonight's Pravachan. But before we do so, we will sing in one voice the Ramayana Sumiran.
जो सुमिरत सिद्धि होई, गणनायक करिवर गणम, करु अनुग्रह सोई, मोरी राशि शुभ गुण सरम, मूक होई वाचा, अंगुचरे गिरिवर गणम, जासु कृपा सुदया, सकल कलिमल दहनम, नील सरोवर करुणारुण वारिजनयनम, करु सुमम उर्धान, सदा क्षीर सागर सनम, कुंद इंदु समदे, उमर मन करुणायनम, जाहि दीन परने, करु कृपा मर्दनमयनम, बंदव गुरु परकंद, कृपा सिंधु नरूपरी, महामोहतम पुंज, जासु वचन रविकर निकरा, जासु वचन रविकर निकरा, जासु वचन रविकर
Sitaram everyone. I would like to join Bhaiji Vijay Bisram in saying a very special welcome to all of you who have joined us online for our virtual satsang on this beautiful Tuesday evening. Devotees chairing our satsang this evening is Bhaiji Vijay Bisram, who is also playing the dhantal, and other members of our Kirtan group are Bhaiji Anu Bishu, Bhain Ray Bisram, Bhain Lisa Naipal, Bhaiji Krishna Prasad. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Swami Biswanathanandaji Maharaj and Bhain Deandra, Bhain Narisa, Bhain Valini, or Choti Bhain Samaya, and Bhain Lolita. We'd also like to thank Bhain Priya for preparing refreshments in the kitchen for all those who are present here at the ashram for satsang this evening. Devotees, my katha this evening is taken from Ramcharitmanas Uttarakhand, and I've entitled it Bhushundi, Wisdom of the Bird, or more specifically, Wisdom of the Crow, because Bhushundi was that. Bhushundi was a crow. In this Chaupai, Tulsidas writes,
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
नरतन सम नहीं कावानियो देही जीव चराचर जाचत जेही नरतन सम नहीं कावानियो देही जीव चराचर जाचत जेही
श्री राम जय जय राम
नर का स्वर्ग अप बरगने से नी नर का स्वर्ग अप बरगने से नी ज्ञान विराग भक्ति शुभ देनी ज्ञान विराग भक्ति शुभ देनी
श्री राम जय राम 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 जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय राम।
My katha describes part of a discourse between two birds. One bird was Garuda, the Vahan of Lord Vishnu. And the other bird was Kakbushundi, the crow. Garuda, even though always in the company of the Lord, he had doubts in his heart, especially when the Lord had incarnated as Sri Ram and he was bound by the serpent arrows of Indrajit and he was dying. Garuda decided to do something about his doubts, do something to try to remove his doubts, so he went to Lord Shiva. And Lord Shiva directed him to Kakbushundi. There's a reason why Lord Shiva directed him to Kakbushundi, because first of all, Garuda had to humble himself. It was because of Abhiman, pride, that he was the vehicle of Sri Hari Vishnu, that these doubts entered his heart. And secondly, the Lord wanted to show him that even though Bhushundi had the form of a crow, an ugly bird, yet he was filled with divine knowledge. He was a God-realized being. Outward appearance does not always bespeak of one's spiritual attainment. What is striking is that this conversation, this spiritual conversation, this high conversation, is between two birds. Such irony. Because we call ourselves the most evolved of God's species, and indeed we are. But yet, can our conversation, our daily conversation, match the conversation that is going on between Garuda and Bhushundi? Garuda was asking deep philosophical, deeply spiritual questions. Do we ask spiritual questions? Do we think about God, talk about God a lot every day? There was a young boy who at an early age intensely wanted to seek God. But his father said to him, "My son, youth is for enjoyment. Youth is to have a nice time. Artha, seek wealth, kama, enjoy yourself. When you become old, then you can think about moksha." That young boy decided to go to the marketplace the next day. There's a section of the marketplace where the old people were gathered, especially the old men. And he batted his ears, he listened intently to what they were saying, and he was disappointed. When he went back to his father, he said, "Father, I went to the marketplace. I went to the section where the old people were gathered, and I listened to their conversation. But not even once did I hear the word God. Nothing spiritual, Father. How do I know when I become old I will want to seek God?" And that young boy left home and sought God with all intensity. When the great saint Ramakrishna Paramahansa met Narendra, who was to become the great Swami Vivekananda, he wept. He said, "My boy, my ears have been burned by listening to the conversation of people. All they speak about are wine, women, and gold, or wine, men, and gold. Wine meaning intoxicants, how to enjoy themselves, men and women. Men speak about women, women about men. And gold, how to acquire wealth. But hardly anyone speaks about God." I had mentioned some time ago the conversation between two brothers where the elder brother Ananta was telling his younger brother Mukunda. Mukunda too wanted God at an early age. He was seeking God. He even tried to run away to the Himalayas to seek a God, but his elder brother Ananta stopped him. Ananta said to his younger brother, "My brother, don't try to catch God too soon, because life may be long, and in your old age you'll be lonely. You'll have no one to take care of you. You'll have no material possessions. You will suffer." But his younger brother Mukunda retorted, "Dear brother, life may be short, and there will not be enough time to find God. Therefore, I shall use every moment of my life to seek Him." So man's conversations, that is why I said it's irony, deep irony. Man's conversations are hardly about God. It's more about worldly things. But here are two birds who are speaking about deep spirituality. Garuda questions Bhushundi. He says, "My Lord." And in these words, "My Lord," we see that he has humbled himself. An eagle addressing a crow as "My Lord." "My Lord, can you please answer my questions? What form is the most difficult of all to obtain? What is the highest form that God has created? What is the greatest pain? Baraduk. Baraduk kya hai? What is the greatest pain? And my third question, O Bhushundi, tell me, what is the greatest joy? What is the greatest happiness one can experience in this world? In answer to his first question, what is the most difficult form of all to obtain? Bhushundi says, the highest form created by God is Nar, men. Some male chauvinists, they say it is the male form. Not so. Absolutely not so. Here Tulsidas uses the word Nar, but he refers to human beings. This human form is the highest form of all. This form was earned. This form is a special gift from God for all that we had to go through in numerous lower life forms when evolution was automatic, when we were governed by instincts, when we could do nothing about it. We just moved from one form to the other 8.4 million times. 8.4 million times, can we imagine? Before we were given this human form for the first time. Evolution implies an upward mobility, an upward movement. Beginning from the minerals, the rocks, to the plants, to the animals, and finally to man. And then evolution no longer became automatic. Why? Because God has given us this human form, and He has given us the ability to reason and free will. The ability to reason so we can make our own choices, and free will to make whatever choice we want without anyone stopping us. So since we have that ability to reason and the ability to choose, then we are responsible for either our evolution, further evolution, or whether we go down back along the path of evolution. So Bhushundi says, because we have this free will and this ability to reason, he describes this human form as a ladder. We can use a ladder to climb up or to climb down. It depends on us. We can use this human form even to climb halfway up the ladder or all the way up the ladder. If we go halfway up the ladder, meaning that we live a righteous life, but we don't have that burning desire to attain God, then we go to what is called heaven, the astral heaven. Yudhishthira attained heaven because he lived the life of dharma, a life of righteousness. On the other hand, Duryodhana, who was evil, who got great joy in seeing the sufferings of others, and there are some people like that. They love to see you suffer. They get joy out of that. Why? I don't know, but they get joy out of that. When you and I, perhaps we see someone suffer, we feel that suffering in our own selves. But there are some people who get joy out of seeing the sufferings of others, and Duryodhana was like that. He wanted to see the sufferings of his cousins, the Pandavas. He did all he could to hurt them, to deny them what was theirs. And we know where he ended up. Mahabharata said that Duryodhana ended up in hell. If we badly want God, if we have deep, deep longing for God, if we're desperate for God, then we can go all the way up the ladder. And a case in point is our own Guru Maharaj. He shows us, even though an avatar, he enacts this Leela to show us that if we want God in this life, we can find God. It's not easy, but it's not impossible. And from an early age, we see his sadhana, his intense penance, and his love for suffering humanity. A life filled with superhuman tapasya, including 6 long years of not sleeping, where day and night he was absorbed in God. And he found God when he was the irrevocable union with God when he was just 20 years old. So it is up to us how we use this human body. We can use it to go down the ladder. We can use it to go halfway up the ladder. Or we can use it to go all the way to the highest rung. It depends on us. It depends on the effort we are willing to make. There are some students who go to school. Some are lackadaisical. They don't care whether they pass or they fail. They usually fail because they will not strive hard for success. There are some who study. They're satisfied with a passing grade, maybe a C. But there are some students, a few students, who nothing but an A+ will satisfy them, and they work hard for that. And because of their hard work, they get there. The same thing in spiritual life. Some people don't care. In fact, they try to harm others. They end up like Duryodhana in hell. Some people, they live righteous lives. They make efforts, but not the supreme effort. And so they end up in heaven, which is good. But it's not the highest. And there are those few souls who want God so badly that they strive with all their strength and they find God. They're like those students who get the A+, those who climb to the very highest rung of the ladder. In this next chaupai, Tulsidas writes,
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
Sotano Dari Hari Bajin Janara Hohi Bishayarth Manda Manda Tara Sotano Dari Hari Bajin Janara Hohi Bishayarth Manda Manda Tara.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
काचु की रिच बरले तेले करते दारी परस मनि देही काचु की रिच बरले तेले करते दारी परस मनि देही.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
So Tulsidas asks the question, suppose you have a choice between the philosopher's stone and bits of common glass. Which would you choose? The philosopher's stone is reputed to have the power to change iron into gold. It transforms the metal. Iron becomes gold. Pieces of common glass, they have no value relatively speaking. Rather, if you hold them in your hands and you're not careful, they will cut you. They'll give you pain. So it is a no-brainer to say that we will choose the philosopher's stone, isn't it? But let us examine it a bit more closely, the symbology that is represented here. The philosopher's stone is symbolic of the spiritual path. The spiritual path has the power to transform us, to purify us. Like raw gold, which is passed through a searing fire, all the impurities are burnt out, so it is transformed into glittering gold. Gold that we can use to make jewelry. Ratnakar was a highwayman, was a robber, was a killer, an evil man. But he decided to follow the spiritual path after he had a chance encounter with some sages. And because he was sincere, because he badly wanted to change, he was transformed. He became the great Valmiki, sage Valmiki, the author of Ramayana. Transformation. Do we want that? Do we want transformation? Pieces of glass symbolize the worldly path. It would appear that it has great value, but really, in the end, we take nothing with us. We can have the greatest mahal, but we can't take it with us. We can have the best car, but we can't take it with us. I'm not saying we should not have cars or we should not have mahals, but I'm saying that these are things really which are not everlasting and we can't take them with us. So I'm saying that give them their due, but no more. Put most of your emphasis on the spiritual path. Do your worldly duties. Balance your life then. Don't be so focused on worldly things that you forget God. The founder of the Kodak camera company, his name was George Eastman, I think. Once he met the master Paramahansa Yogananda in California. And he was boasting. He said, I'm filthy wealthy and I'm filthy healthy. And the master said to him, excellent, but are you filthy happy? He couldn't answer that question. He had a lot of wealth. He had so many worldly possessions. But he was so tortured within that he ended up committing suicide. If you ask the little children who are their ideals, they will tell you the latest film star. If you go in their rooms, especially the teenagers, they will have plastered on their walls pictures of film stars. They want to be like them. But if they only knew how unhappy, generally speaking, those film stars are, those celebrities are, how unhappy they are despite their wealth and their fame, they will not want to be like them. This world is like, the worldly path is like grasping at pieces, bits of glass. In the end, they cut you. In the end, you feel pain. You seek happiness, but pain also comes. Happiness and pain, they're one side and the other side of the same coin. So Bhushundi is saying to Garuda that those who have attained to this body, they have this special gift of this body, and yet worship not God, but wallow in the very basis of sensual lust. Throw away the philosopher's stone which they had in their hands to grasp instead bits of common glass. So understand me clearly. I'm not saying you should give up your duties in this world and become a sannyasi. It would be wonderful if you can do that, but I'm not saying that. It's not possible for everybody to do that. I'm saying that for grihastis, balance your life. Yes, you need wealth, you need a car, you need a home, but don't be so attached to those, so single-mindedly focused on those that they take all your time and you have no time for God. Put aside time every day for God. And you'll find that as you progress, you'll want to spend more time with God. There'll be transformation. In this next chaupai, Tulsidas writes,
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
नाही दरिद्र सम दुख जग माही, नाही दरिद्र सम दुख जग माही, संत मिलन सम सुख जग नाही, संत मिलन सम सुख जग नाही.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
पर उपकार भजन मन काया, पर उपकार भजन मन काया, संत सहज स्वभाव कगराया, संत सहज स्वभाव कगराया.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, 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 Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai
in answer to the second question, what is the greatest pain? What is the greatest suffering? Kag Bhushundi answers, poverty. Poverty, if we were to check the meaning in the dictionary, it will tell us it means a lack of wealth, a lack of money. And we all know, especially in a country like America, that you need money, you need wealth, or else you'll be kicked out of your house if you can't pay the mortgage or you can't pay the rent. You'll go hungry because you won't have money to buy food. You can't afford the basic necessities. Your life will be miserable. Sudama was like that. A poor Brahmin, extra poor Brahmin. He had a big family, he had many children. But at nights, because the roof was leaking, when the rain fell, the children would be soaked. When it was cold, the breeze will blow through the thatched walls, and the children will be suffering. Many days they went without food. Sudama and his family suffered. That is not a desirable condition. That is a condition which is conducive to suffering. So, the greatest pain is poverty, but here Tulsidas is implying something even deeper than the conventional meaning of poverty. Poverty, in this case, also means spiritual poverty when we lack good qualities. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 16, verse 4, Lord Krishna says to Arjun,
Dambo darpa abhimana cha krora parushyam evacha agyanam cha bijatasya parta samparam ashurim.
O Arjun, pride, arrogance, conceit, wrath, harshness, misjudgment are demonical qualities. Shun them, Arjun. When there is spiritual poverty, when there is a lack of good qualities and a preponderance of evil qualities, then we suffer from spiritual poverty. And when there is spiritual poverty, we're ever mentally at pain. Kans, Ravan, Hiranyakashipu, these are examples of beings, even though powerful, even though having all worldly comforts, they were tortured because they lacked spiritual qualities, because they were spiritually poor. Ravan was ever nervous because deep down he was afraid of Sri Ram, even though he tried not to show it. Kans was ever uneasy because the prophecy had said that he'll be killed by the son of Devaki and Vasudev, and he didn't know where that son was. So he was always on tender hooks. Hiranyakashipu, he also, even though he claimed he was God, he was ever insecure and unhappy. So when there is spiritual poverty, there is great inner suffering, mental torture which goes on within us. Bhushundi says that the greatest suffering is poverty. Material poverty, yes, but more than that, spiritual poverty. Then what is the greatest joy? Bada sukhe. The wise Bhushundi answers, O Garuda, the greatest joy is communion with the saints, to be in satsang. And you will ask, well, how can I be in satsang? We are the saints, the masters. Yes, long ago you had so many great masters, but nowadays, we are the saints. We are the great ones. How can I be in true satsang? And to that I answer, ultimate satsang means to have our thoughts focused on the divine ones. In our ashram, the supreme one is our Guru Maharaj. Anytime we can fix our minds on our Guru Maharaj, whether we are in the world, whether we're working, wherever we are in satsang. That is why our Guru Maharaj says, my children, keep your mind directed to Guru. Because He is bliss. Within Him there is bliss. He is a personification of Satchidanand. And once we can tune in with Him by directing our thoughts to Him, we're in satsang, we'll
gradually start to experience the bliss that he has within him. And that is the greatest joy. Manu and Satrupa, they were fortunate to be in satsang with great saints, which inspired them to seek God with intensity. And they were able to have the darshan of the Lord. King Parikshit, even though given srap that he will die in 7 days' time, he sought the company for those 7 days with great sages. And within 7 days, he attained a high spiritual state. So if we want true joy, we should be in satsang. It's not always possible to be like this, but we can be in satsang anytime we want to, wherever we are. Just direct our minds to our blessed Gurudev, and we'll be in satsang. That is the highest type of satsang. And this concluding doha, Tulsidas writes,
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Siya Ram Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai
Bandau Santa Samana Chita हित अनहित नहीं खाओ अंजलि गत शुभ सुमन जिमी सम सुगंध कर दो बंदो संत समान चित
जय जय राम सिया राम जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय सियापति रामचंद्र की जय शरणम.
And Bhushundi says, I pay homage to those great saints, those great masters who have realized God, who are even-minded towards all, and who have no friend or foe. They're like roses, they're like flowers. If you take a rose and you hold it tenderly in your hand, it will give its fragrance to you. Even if you crush it, it will still give its fragrance to you. Saints are like the rose. Whether you show them respect or whether you try to harm them, they will give the same fragrance. And that is why it is so blessed for us to be in communion with the saints, in communion with the great masters like our Guru Maharaj. Therein lies our greatest happiness, our greatest joy, our greatest spiritual welfare. May we all be so blessed. Om Shanti, 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 Hari Om.
Thank you very much, Swamiji, for your very inspiring pravachan on this beautiful Tuesday evening, live from the America Sivashram Sangha. Thank you very much, Swamiji. Devotee friends, just a few reminders. We have our Sita Jayanti Satsang coming up next Thursday, May 28th at 7 p.m. live from the America Sivashram Sangha. If you would like to attend in person, please let us know. Or you can join us right here online to participate in our Grand Sita Jayanti celebration here at America Sivashram Sangha. Please remember the date, Thursday, May 20th at 7 p.m. with our Revered Swami Shiveshwanandaji Maharaj. Also, we have a wonderful 7-night yajna coming up in July 19th through the 25th, right here at the America Sivashram Sangha. Our yajna title Ramayana Yatra, It will be a wonderful 7-night yajna here, live from the Merkaz of Ashram Sangha. Again, if you like to attend in person, you can let us know. Also, we will be broadcasting this yajna live on Facebook, all 7 sessions. Also, if you would like to be a sponsor of that yajna, please let us know also. Devotees, we will have one more bhajan before we sing the Hanumanji Arti. I will ask Bhai Lisa to lead us in that bhajan.
प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 श्री राम 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 प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 श्री राम 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 पाप गति दुख मिटे लेते राम नाम पाप गति दुख मिटे लेते राम नाम बहु समुद्र सुख दानव एक राम नाम बहु समुद्र एक दानव एक राम नाम प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 श्री राम 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 परम शक्ति सुख निदान नित्य राम नाम परम शक्ति सुख निदान नित्य राम नाम नीरधार को धार एक राम नाम श्री नीरधर को धार एक राम नाम प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 श्री राम 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 परम गोपी परम इष्ट मंत्र राम नाम परम गोपी परम इष्ट मंत्र राम नाम संत हृदय सदा वासव एक राम नाम श्री संत हृदय सदा वासव एक राम नाम प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 श्री राम 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 प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 श्री राम 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 श्री राम राम राम
Thank you very much, Lisa, for that wonderful bhajan. Devotees and friends, please remember to join us next Tuesday evening for another edition of our Hanuman Chalisa Path, live from the Merkaz of Ashram Sangha. Also, please remember our Sunday morning satsang start promptly at 9:15 a.m. Please let us know if you like to attend in person, or you could join us online also. And continue to share our live feed with your friends and family after our satsang here tonight. Devotees, on behalf of our Revered Swamiji, Swami Shiveshwanandaji Maharaj, Swami Biswanath, and our wonderful Kirtan group, I would like to thank each and every one of you for participating in our Hanuman Chalisa this evening. Sitarama, we will now sing the Hanumanji Arti.
जय 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 हनुमान जय बजरंग बली जय 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 हनुमान जय बजरंग बली आरती की जय हनुमान लला की दुष्ट दमन रघुनाथ दला की आरती परमनादं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं सुभाग्यं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिविद्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरणं सर्वलोके कणातनं सर्वलोके कणातनं ॐ त्वमेव माता
पिता त्वमेव
त्वमेव बन्धो
सखा त्वमेव
त्वमेव विद्या
द्रविणं त्वमेव
त्वमेव सर्वं
मम देवदेवा
त्वमेव सर्वं
मम देवदेवा
ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा
गुरुर्विष्णु
गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः हरि ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। प्रेज़ महावीर स्वामी की
जय
प्रेज़ श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की
जय
प्रेज़ श्री श्री जगत गुरु महाराज की
जय
प्रेम से बोलो सनातन धर्म की
जय